So in yesterday's thing, we discussed about the where class, and we have seen many examples also in the where class, how to use the comparison operator as well as the logical operator, how to use that we have seen. Okay, so how to use the greater than, how to fetch the data based on the greater than or less than or equal to, not equal to, and how to use the logical operators also, that is and or not. So how to use that, we have seen such many examples. Okay, so I thought of, let me do one table, let me create one table, the employee table. With that we can do it. I thought of, we created, isn't it? We created one employee.
Yes, sir.
So let me
Yes,
that
sir.
we will execute our codes for, in order to show. You want to also know the exposure, no? So how to use this comparison operator as well as the logical operator in where class. Okay, let me directly open the MySQL. So just we will type it. 1 minute. Entering. So as you know that, and there is 1 minute. I will maximize the screen. Font I made it, so color also I will change it for your case. Okay. I hope you are seeing that. Let me see the table. First of all, we need to know the databases. What are the databases are there? If you want to show me, what is the command? Which command is used?
Show databases.
Very good. Show databases. 1 minute.
So database basis topic.
Yes. So these are all the database. We created our database, that is called what? NCRT, isn't it? NCRT is our database.
Yes, sir.
NCRT 1, sir. NCRT 1, sir, I think.
No, that is
That's
table
table
name.
name.
Here you can see NCRT is the database. Use database, NCERT. That is a database. So database changed. Now we want to show all the
Oh,
tables. Show tables. You just to give the commands means, then you can see this EMP, EMP1, NCRT1, 3 tables we have created. Okay, let me discuss
At
about
last we created EMP1, sir.
that is for date and time, I think so. Date of join for
Yes,
date.
sir.
Yes. Let me use the EMP. Suppose we forgot it. What are the content are there? No. So if you want to know the what are the contents means, that is what are the fields are
Show
there?
table.
No. That is a show table. Will, that's what we use as a command. It is showing the tables name. What are the tables are there? It is showing. But if you
Select
want,
star from table
that is
name.
equal the records. No. If you want to know the what are the fields, what is the data type means?
Des, des,
Very good.
describe.
Describe table name, that is DEMP.
Yes.
So if you just give means, it will tell EMP ID. Oh, this is one EMP name, date of birth. Okay, let me create DESC EMP1. Let me try with the table. Yeah, of course. Salary, serial number, name, department, salary. So we given that. So if you want to know what are the records are there means, what is the command? Select all from EMP1.
EMP1.
Okay. So if we give means, 2 things we entered. Okay. Suppose let me enter another data also. How to insert a record into the thing? Insert into, what is the table name? EMP1
M
values are
EMP1
values
values.
are 3. What are the values? 3. That is a serial number is one of the value, and name. So just we give the
Name.
name. We just enter the name and comma department. Let we use the HR, that is in capital. Okay, just given the quote. Okay, then salary we just given, it is integer data type only. So we enter one data. Another data if you want to give enter means comma with the another name. So 4 comma just we will add another one name. Okay, then department. So department again I am using a CS. Okay, for purpose. Okay, then salary. So let me use the thing. Okay, it is not in the quote, no, it's a normal one. It's
Yes,
integer.
sir.
So we enter that means, you can see 2 records are entered. So let we want to see all the data means now you can see 4 records we enter into the table EMP1. Okay. Then let me do our action. That is, what are the things? Let me show the slide. You can see how to use the, let me use one by one comparison operator. Salary greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to. Let me, we will use all the queries. Okay, in order to get the expression. For example, I want to know who are all the person who's getting greater than 20,000. Okay, what is the query? Let you people want to tell that. Ashwin, can you say that? What is the query to display only the people who is getting greater than 20,000 salary? Ashwin. After that, somebody will tell in the chat, sir, network problems are. They may hear it. At least they try to. Bharat, what about you? Only 2 persons are actively saying. That is, one is Chandru, another one is Selvaram. Rest of the people, I don't know what you are doing really. From starting onwards, I said the same word. I have a very strong doubt on you whether you are properly listening or not. If you are listening, means it's a once in a time. Can't you answer it? Just like that, I am teaching. So hereafter, what I want to do? I don't like to interact with you. See, many YouTube videos you are seeing, no, they won't any interaction. They will do. They will teach. That's all. If you understand or not, you cannot ask your question also too. So let me do like the type of videos. I think so. Is it? Bharat, what about Bharat? What about Inivel? And Hasin, everyone, I want to ask one name. For you have to learn. Whether you know or not, that is not my matter. I clearly am saying that. The people are not responding. For see, one of the fellow now only joined. That is Naveen Kumar, I think so. 9:15. Okay, what is the query? Do anybody can say that?
Sir, select star from EMP1 where salary is
Okay.
greater than 20,000.
Select all. From EMP1.
Where
Not typing. 1 minute. Where it is typing? It's not typing. 1 minute. Let I will check it.
okay, sir.
Yeah. Now cursor is there. Okay. Tell that. Select
all
from
EMP1
name.
where salary is greater than 20,000.
Greater than 20,000. So if we give the command means it will show the details alone. See, Ganesh alone getting 20,000. No. So we are giving greater than 20,000 means then rest of things. For example, I want to search whose employee ID, that is whose serial number for our case, whose serial number is number 4. That detail alone I want to see. What is the query?
Select star from EMP1 where SL number is equal to 4. EMP1
where
SL
number
is equal to 4.
4. If we give means then that details alone it will display. Okay. So you know greater than, less than, similarity, and greater than or equal to means also same thing. For example, I'm using greater than or equal to 20,000 means you can see this. So it will display all the things because all are getting minimum salary is what? 20,000. No. So it will display all those things. Okay. So I hope you understand greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, same like less than or equal to, not equal to. So how to use? Let me see this. Okay. Salary. Okay.
So not equal to the ரெண்டு arrow மாதிரி வருது
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Not equal to,
less than, greater than.
Not equal to 20,000. So if we give the command means, let you see. See, except who is getting 20,000? Ganesh. Ganesh only getting 20,000. No.
Ramesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, Ramesh, not sir, Ganesh.
Okay. So except him, that is not equal to 20,000. How the query will execute? No, it will check the each person's salary. Raj salary is not equal to 20,000. Condition true or not? Condition true means what is the thing? Not equal to 20,000. Condition true, it will display. Then Ganesh, it is equal to 20,000, so it won't display. Okay. because we made the query like that, no? So I hope we done the comparison operator, equal to, not equal
Yes, sir.
to, greater than, less than. Okay, I hope you understand this one. And let me use the and and what is the
Logical
or
operators.
and not. Yes, logical operators. Let me see that. For example, let me select. For example, I want to know. I will tell the sequence. Let you tell the query. Okay, this is our entire table now. For example, that is who is belong to CS department and getting the salary greater than 50,000. Display the name list of the employee belongs to the department CS and getting the salary greater than 50,000. What is the query?
Select star from EMP1
Select all from EMP1
where
where
department is equal to CS
okay where department
is equal to CS
in single quote we should mention CS.
and
Very good, very good. And
salary
uh, salary
is greater than 20,000.
greater than 50,000. For example,
20,000.
what are they? Okay,
Okay, sir.
so let me give that 50,000. Okay. So if we give this means, then you can see this. So only one person, Raj only belongs to CS department and his salary only is what? 1 lakh, isn't it? So it display that. So I hope you understand what is the thing and how to use the and operator. Likewise, R operator whose department equal to CS, or what we can do, salary equal to greater than 20,000 and the department equal to CS or IT. Likewise, we can give also. Okay, based on our condition here, data is less. That's what the record are less. That's what similar related operations only we are doing the same thing. Okay, if the database is more means we can do. That's what I'm saying. When we will feel the importance of the database means if the records are more than 50, definitely it will be very much useful for the whatever field. It may be education or whatever factories, industries, whatever thing. Okay, if they want to do whatever operation, it's very easy. For example, whose salary is getting, who is getting 20,000, the owner of the company want to give 5,000 hike for them. Okay, this is the situation, right? The query for that. What is the query?
Sir, once more, sir.
I will tell that. For
Question.
example, the owner of the company visited the salary list. Okay, then he is seeing that he
Yes,
tell one command to the accountant. Okay, give 5,000 to the people who is getting 20,000 salary, or less than or equal to 20,000 salary. Who is getting less than 25,000? Give 5,000 hike for them. That is increment for them. So what is the query? Have you understand this one?
Select star from
yes, sir.
EMPL where salary is less than 20,
Uh,
sir.
10,
20.
10, 10, 10,
No.
say, till once again, I will write it. I
Sir,
mean, I will type it.
Select star
Select all from
from
hmm,
EMPL
okay,
where
okay, where hmm, hmm,
salary
salary
less than 20,
less than
20,000.
20,000 now.
So, how much, sir, you told salary?
See, I tell that I will tell once again clear. The owner
Hmm.
visited the salary list of the employee. Okay, then he given one order to the accountant or the HR department. Who is getting less than 25,000? Again, I'm repeating. Who are all getting less than 25,000 salary in my company? Give 5,000 increment for them. So what is the thing? Who are all getting less than 25,000? For
Less
example,
than
one person.
25,000, sir.
Yeah, for example, one person getting 24,000, he is also eligible now to get the increment.
Yes, sir.
Correct? No, for that only I'm asking the query. Yeah, now tell that query.
Now 25,000, sir.
Yeah, what I need to type. That's what I'm asking you.
Less than 25, sir. 25,000, sir.
Less than 25,000. That's all, isn't it? Hello.
Sir,
Here, is it the query is over now?
No, sir.
Where we are giving the increment? It only, this query will display who are all getting less than 25,000 salary. That name list it will display. Whether it will add 5,000 to the salary, that is the core concept. No, actually, what is the concept? We need to add the 5,000 rupees to the employee. What is the criteria? Who are all getting less than 25,000? For them alone, we need to add it. That is the criteria given by the owner. Okay. Have you understand this situation? This type of question only asked in the exam, board exam. They will give some, they won't explain the situation, they will tell the question. Okay, write 5,000 rupees, sorry, add 5,000 rupees to all the employee who are all getting, all the employee, but who are all getting, likewise they will give the code. So you want to read the sentence, that's what I'm saying. Okay, tell that. Hasin, is you give a good try. Once again, you can try it. I really appreciate your effort. You are almost 90% near to it. But okay, that main concept, just think it. Hello. Abdul Hassan, tell that. Okay, I'll give it. Selvaram, you can try it. Or anybody, anyone can try it. Not an issue, not only them. But you people are not opening your mouth, no, that's the problem. Okay, Selvaram, give a try. You got an idea?
Sir, no, sir. It should
Hmm.
also display all the records, sir. Like
course.
after adding it.
Hmm. Or else, okay, just to tell at least the name and salary. Updated one I want to display. That is the very thing.
Okay, sir. So select name.
Okay, I will. Okay. Select name.
Comma.
Salary
Salary plus 5,000.
Salary plus 5,000.
Plus 5,000. Yes, sir. Where? Sorry, from EMP, sir. From EMP1.
Okay. From EMP1.
Where?
Hmm.
Salary is less than 25,000.
Salary
Is less than 25,000.
less than 25,000. This is your query.
Yes, sir.
Let me see it. Of course, it is working. You can see Ganesh only. Let me see the entire database. But what is the thing? You missed one thing. Salary plus 5,000 as. That's what we given, no? Alive. Yes, not an issue. Very good try. Really good. I really appreciate you. You can see. So you can see this salary plus 5,000 as we can give a name. Again, salary also. Okay, salary 5 plus 5,000 or incremented salary. Likewise, we can give or revised salary. Okay, likewise, we can use the word. Very good, very good.
Sir, on doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
can we do this operation in the where statement after the where?
I didn't get
The
it.
salary plus 5,000.
No.
Sir, we are
I understood.
no,
For example, you are asking select all from EMP1 where salary equal to, that is a salary less than 25,000. That's all. That is a query. After that, given the condition means we cannot do this operation. So first operation,
Yes,
and that's what I'm saying. Two type of DML are there: procedural and non-procedural. Okay, the procedural DML we are following. What is the procedural DML means? What data we need to fetch, how to fetch, what data we need to fetch, that is what data we need to display, salary plus 5,000. Salary details we want to display, correct. How to fetch means that is from where we are giving the condition. Those who are getting less than 25,000, we are giving the criteria, that is for condition likewise. Have you understand that? No.
yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
is
sir. Understood,
this
sir.
is the way we are saying it is a procedural DML and non-procedural. DML means there is a, it is a manipulation language. Here we are doing the manipulation, no, on over the salary. Actually, salary amount was 20,000. We are adding some over the operation, no, isn't it? That is called manipulation.
Yes, sir.
So this is data manipulation language. We are using the, sometimes we will use procedural method and sometimes we will use the non-procedural method. Okay, for example, always in our Python case, Python and MySQL, we are always using the procedural DML. It will tell what the data we need to show or display or whatever word, fetch the data or print the record, whatever thing. Okay, what the data we need to access. That is, I think, this is a apt word. which data we need to access, how to access. How to access means what is the condition. Okay, we are giving 5,000 for all means it is easy. Okay, but we are giving one condition to whom we need to add. Have you understand? No?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yeah. Hasin, have you understand? Whether he is here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let me go to the next one. And I forgot what is the thing. Yeah, and or operator that we used it. We given the queries. So such type of, this is an example for you. Such type of questions will be asked in the board exam. Okay, they will give 1 or 2 marks or even 3 marks also for based on the question, based on the toughness or difficulty level of the questions. Okay, so based on that they will ask the thing. Okay, let me go to the next one. Where class that we have seen the same example. Okay, so these are all, and we have discussed yesterday between in, like, and is null. Okay, we completed I think between in and like. Is null alone is pending. Let me look after that, then we will do the example programs, then you can get the more exposure. So these things, and that's what I'm saying. Listen the query whenever the teaching, whenever I'm teaching, just listen the query. I mean, listen means what the query, how the query is written. So if you understand properly means you can get an idea. Okay, it may be it will give some idea for that how to write the query. Okay, so between means how, where salary, that is where salary means what. It's a field we can use for different, for example the same table we are using, instead of in different table they are asking. For example, I'm asking student database is there. Okay, I want the total mark who are all getting for example principal is asking who are all getting above 400, who are all getting the total 400 to for example 300 350 to 400. Likewise if they ask means what is the query, select all from student database. For example, the table name where total between 350 and what? 350 to 400. Yeah, and 400. If you give means that detail alone it will display. Okay. So we have to practice more table. For example, you know that employee is one of the prominent table and student database is another one. Okay. Definitely these things only repeatedly. I have also seen a long year. This tables only asking. That is a table means the sense of this related or invoice. Another concept is okay. 5 tables are there. I mean 5 concepts are there. One they will ask from medical, another one from library, another one for employee, another one from school, another one differently they may ask. One time they ask on shop details. Okay, that is anyhow it is come under the invoice. Okay, so such type of beverage details. One time they asked it. Okay, on cool drinks company how they are maintaining the things for chemical levels and all they given, and one question was asked. Okay, so from constantly 5 to maximum 5 tables, 5 concepts, not tables, these only they are asking. So once you familiar about this means it will be easy. Okay, let me go to the content. Okay, for example, where and all we need to select. For a recap I'm just doing, select name from EMP, where EMP number, whose EMP number and all in this list. Okay, for example, one person we selected the list who are all done the mistake in the company. Okay, his employee ID alone it is noted. Okay, so he prepared a list whose employee and all not. For example, we want to prepare one list means who are all absent today. So if I assign one list for that means that name. Okay, if who are all there means their name alone is displaying properly, is separately. Okay, that is the use of in, and we can combine with the not operator, logical operator also we can do this operation, not in the list. Okay, except this member all are, sometimes the school they will use the word no. Those who are not submitted the assignments just go outside the class, or else they will give a list. Those whose names are not in the list, you can go out. Likewise, we can use in operate different way. Okay, that is the concept. And like
It was a regular statement standard social class.
I didn't get it, huh? Yes.
That statement, what you told, it will be the regular statement of social class in 9th.
Oh, okay. maximum. This is the one of the default statements of the teacher. The teacher means you people will define. No, the teacher means definitely they will use these words. This are all it's
Yes.
one of the things. Yes. So that is we can use the how to see the reality. Okay, This we can use the word. I mean, this terms I'm saying, this operator. Okay, let me see the like operator. It's very useful operator. I mean, it's very interesting and important operator also in this SQL. Okay, by using the word, there is letter. Okay, that we have seen two things. Okay, percentage yes and R we have seen. If we complete the remaining two, then we will go for example. Okay, and third one. First one, I will reteach it. Select all from EMP where name like, for example, who are all names started with letter S. If you want to display that that list means let you use the command. The red line is there, no, the red font like in the single quote or double quote yes percentage. Okay, if you give means that is very important. Small s means small or capital S means okay. So we should give the case and percentage symbol. Then what will happen? Whose names and all start with the letter yes, it will display all the records. Okay. For example, second thing you can see, select all from EMP where name like percentage R. Percentage R, that's what very notable changes. Here, what is the meaning? Whose names and all ends with the letter R. That is the thing. Okay. The first one is starting, second one is what? I mean, second query is what? Ending with R. So these things you should properly understand that, or else you may have the problem. Okay, let me go to the things. And third one, you can see yesterday Sriraman asked one wonderful doubt, whether we can search a letter in between, sir. Okay, it is not, but we have tried another level. You can see this. Search employee. Third example, you can see employee whose name contain A. Okay, that means what? Overall names contains the A. For example, yeah, it may be the A may be the first letter. For example, if you take Ashwin means first letter itself A. Okay, or else some other name last letter may contain A. Okay, or else whatever it may be. But what is the thing? If the name contains A means it will display. You can see select from the EMP where name like percentage A percentage. That means anywhere. That's what I'm saying. Okay, that's a very important thing. Okay, anywhere means the name A is there means, or the required character is there means, okay, it will display it. Okay, that is the thing. And let me see another one. This is also very much useful even in your project also. Okay, you can see this. Select all, that is from EMP where DOB like percentage -02 percentage hyphen. Likewise, if we given means, what will happen? It only select. For example, you want to know who are all the person's birthday falls on this month. For example, who are all the student name? Suppose the principal asked, I want the student name who are all celebrating their birthday in this month for preparing some wishes or anything, or any greetings or anything means. So that month alone, if you want to search by month means, you can see percentage, that is a syntax, regular syntax, -02 hyphen. Why is there hyphen? You know what is the format for the date? Date data type format is what?
Date, month, year.
Who is the very brilliant student asking, telling like that? Andrew, is it like that? Date,
So
month, year.
date,
Ah,
date, month, year.
very good. Like that
Year,
one
month,
will be seen.
year,
Year, month, date, man. See, while I'm
Year, month,
teaching
date.
that, I just point out very clearly, I said the word many times. Note it down, it is a new data type. You should know the format of the year. That is a date data type means year, 4-digit year. Okay, hyphen. We should not give slash and all. Okay, hyphen and month, it should be 2-digit. Whenever I'm showing example, I given the month 07, isn't it? Why means I clearly given the explanation also. Even though the month will be 1-digit, we should give 07 only, not like with 7. Okay. Andrew, listen carefully, man. Okay, let me see this. For example, that's what hyphen 02 hyphen. So where this found? That is very similar. Here we are finding A, no, anywhere in the thing. Here, what is the thing? For example, -02 hyphen, where it will be, definitely it will be middle only, because that is the format, no, where the month will be.
Month, sir.
Yeah, in this month, this is the only format. Month will be, it should be in middle. Definitely it should contain what? Previously 4-digit years are there, and hyphen followed by hyphen and 0, 2 or whatever months. Okay. Then hyphen, definitely date. Date may be a single digit, even though 0, 1 or 31, whatever thing. Okay, this is a way to find the particular data alone from the database. From the table. Have you understood this one? This query, this 2-1. Same, both are
Yes, sir.
similar only. And last one, this is very important. Select all employee. That is, if you want to select all the records whose name is five letters, begins with S. Okay. For example, it is also another one case. Somebody will forgot the name, but we know whose name is very short name. Okay. I think he said this name very short. For example, Satish, or a very short name. Okay. Raj. Like this, we are saying a very short name. No. So short name, but its letter may be 5 letters. If we want to find such type of, we can do the refined search. This is called refined. So how much filters we can give, we can able to give. Here you can see whose name is 5-letter name, begin with the letter S. Okay, if you are know that much details, means you can see how to give, means start with, like, for example, like in the quotes, within the quote, S is a starting letter, then underscore and 4 underscore. So including S, how many letters? 5 letters. So whatever the details will display means whose names and all start with the letter S, and whose names and all start with the letter S, as well as 5-digit letters only. There is 5-digit, 5 spaces. Digit means here in the sense of 5 characters names alone it will display. For example, Shanta Kumar, if the name is there, means it won't display, because of course the name will start with the letter S. But what is the thing? It is too lengthy, no? It's not 5 digits. 5 characters. Have you understand that? 5 letters. It is not, no. So for example, Shiva is there. SHIVA. Shiva. Definitely it will show. Okay. So some other what is Surya? SURYA. Surya. It will display. Have you understand? So yeah, the name should start with S, as well as the name should be in the 5 characters. 5-character name alone. If it is there, means it will display. Okay. Even though if it is a lengthy name, means it won't display. That is more than 5 characters. Okay, this is the concept. Have you understand this? How to use the like statement operator?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Children, 1 more minute is there. Again, rejoin it. Okay. Now, how many are there? 14 members are here. I want to see all the 14 in the next session also. Okay. Today, ma'am also given one instruction, that is, you will get the phone call, those who are absent or those who are taken the leave. Okay. Bharat, what may be the reason? What is the reason? Why you was absent yesterday? Bharat. These people are not at all responding. What to do? The same thing I have to show to them back whenever the times will come, isn't it? Just what I'm saying. Okay, one more minute. Okay, that we have seen if the name is started with a particular character and particular number of characters. That is, particular name is 10 digits. 10 digits means I'm saying 10 letters, not digit. 10 letters name or 5 letters name. Likewise, if you want to search also, that is also possible. I think Sriram asked a very wonderful question, but it is not middle the character. Anywhere we can search it. And date alone, some format is there. No, using the format, we can able to search the month as well as year, and what is the thing, day also. Okay, who are all born on the day, what is the today, 29. Okay, like this also we can search it. Okay, because the date is having the proper structure, 4-digit year hyphen and 2-digit month hyphen 2-digit day, and that is a date. Okay, that we have to mention. With that structure format, we can able to search it. Okay, that is the thing. These are the like operator. Okay, how to use the like operator, we have seen some examples, and later classes we will see that. Is null, let me complete this one. Is null operator is used to search where the values and all present as null. Okay, previously we have done one example, that is using one condition, if null condition. Have you understand? If null is different, is null is different. Okay, if null condition, that is used to that keyword, or that condition is used to, if the data is to be null in the particular row, what message want to display. In order to display a certain words or certain message, we can use that. But here it is a condition. Okay, you can see Is null is used to compare null values present in any column, because null is not considered as a value. As I said, it is not empty, it is not zero also. Okay, null means nothing. Okay, that's what, because null is not considered as a value, so we cannot compare with the equal to sign. For example, null equal to null, if it is able to check, means it is not possible. Okay, null equal, for example, n column salary equal to null, if we give, means null is not value, no. Null is, we how to pronounce the null, how to give the, describe the null. In the single quote, if you are single or double quote, if you given, means it is considered as a string data type. Okay, no. So that's what we cannot compare with any operator. That's what we have to use. The one operator is called as, that's what SQL provides the operator called is null operator. Okay, that operator only the, it is used to check whether the given operator is, the given value is null or not. You can see the example query, you can understand. Select all from EMP, that is, it will display all the record where salary is null. That means what? The salary where and all it is not mentioned. That that details alone it will display. This query is okay. Let you say the answer for the next query. Select all from EMP where salary is not null. That means what it will display.
So it will select all the records
Uh,
from the EMP table where salary is not null. That is,
not null. If it is salary,
not
whatever
null,
salary, it may be 1,000 or 100 rupees or 1 crore rupee, whatever it may be. So it will display all the names except the null.
null.
Okay. The first thing is just opposite. You can see the first thing. Can you say the explanation for first query? I mean the previous query I'm asking. Selected query.
So it
Select
will
all.
display the records
Mm.
only if the salary column is null.
So where and all we missed the value, we missed to give the value, that is considered as null only. No, if you forgot to, if you didn't give the value, means automatically it will take the default value null, or else we can give the default value also. That also is said it. But when we have to give, means at the time of creation we should give. For example, if you are creating name equal to name where care of 20 default on keyword default, then we have to given the what is the default name. Okay, that we have to give, that value will be inserted. Okay, that is let me come to the concept. So if we didn't give the value, means automatically the null character, that is null null will be occupied the in the place in the column. Okay, so null is not equal to 0, not equal to a single space character. It is nothing. Null means nothing. We cannot compare with anything. Okay, null means null only. Okay, that is nothing means. Okay, that is the concept. Have you understand? Is null operator is very important operator, because many tricky questions will be asked from this concept. If null, is null, especially the is null conditions and operators is used, means you have to think twice more than compared to the normal query. We have to spend extra attention to this, because many tricky questions will be asked from this concept I'm saying. Okay, where is null, suppose you can see select all from select all from EMP where salary is null. By simply seeing that, means of course now you are familiar with the query. Generally if you write, means we will write all the tables. How they will ask the question? No, they will give salary for all the employee. They will ask the question, what will be the output? Hello, did you understand my question?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
For example, they will give the, for example, serial number, name, salary. Okay, they will five records are there. For 5 record, they given the salary 20,000 for each employee getting 20,000. Okay, everybody. Okay, if we execute the first query, what will be the output?
Null, sir.
Of course, it won't display anything, empty set, because there is no
Yes, sir.
condition. No, of course, we given the value. None of the field is not null. That is where salary is not null. So nobody is none of the salary is not equal to null. Then it will display the empty one. That's what. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. This is very important concept. Okay. So this is the content, children. Let me complete this, and next class, that is from Tuesday onwards, we will discuss about the operator precedence. In Python, we have set up one of our operator precedence, but here it is different. Okay, we will see the operator precedence, how to use the operators. Here also many operators are there. How to use the operators are there, and order by, having, grouping. So these concepts are there, and the string function, numerical, like a lot of things are there. Okay, once we completed mean, then only the chapter will get complete. Okay,
Yes, sir.
in this thing we will wind up this thing, and let me tomorrow, that is Monday, you have the chapter, which chapter test I give a post in the
Chapter-
WhatsApp.
File handling.
File handling.
Yes, chapter
Chapter
5. Yeah, chapter 5, file handling. So this is very important test for you, because the chapter is very important in the Python, where the maximum marks will come in the board exam means definitely from the file handling. Because first two chapters, that is the
Oh.
Python revision tour 1 and revision tour 2, you already studied in the class 11 also, no? Isn't it? So that's
Yes,
what
sir.
very
Yes, sir.
minimum
Yes,
marks
sir.
only as from the first two chapters. Third is function. Definitely we can accept five marks from the third chapter. And fourth is what? Modules and this thing. That is also we can maximum we can expect to 5 marks. Okay, 10 marks is there. So from the file handling, maximum marks will be come, because that is the core part of the Python. No, out of the sixth chapter is data structure only. Correct? No, have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you have to prepare, more weightage will be given to the file handling. That is very important chapter. Okay. So 3 type of files are there: text to file, binary file, and CSV file. I'm just doing a recap. Try to understand it. Text to file, it is different way. Normal operations we can do it. Okay. Binary file, normal binary file is there. Another one is by using the pickle module. That is very important. Okay. So kindly go through it. Pickle module, you have
Sir.
to practice more. Yes, please. Yeah.
சார் சாப்டர் 5 ஓட பிடிஎஃப் அனுப்ப முடியுமா சார்?
Chapter 5, that is in our book. It
சார்
is
நீங்க
there.
நடத்துறீங்களா சார்? சார்
Already,
இருந்தாலும் நீங்க அனுப்புறது
man,
கொஞ்சம்.
I given already now posted in our website. Chapter 5,
Oh,
even
okay,
chapter
sir.
6 material. So that clearly shows you didn't visit our website. Regularly visit our website. I'm not telling for my sake. If you have visited means I won't get any bit. Don't think that. I created the website for your case only. That is for your sake. People want to get benefited through the accessing. All the videos is meant for you. All the content will be posted for you. Okay. This content and all I download from many websites, and I'm just modifying some
Okay, sir.
edited. Wherever the data is not needed, that I deleted the slide. I added the new slide also. So I made a lot of work behind the thing. Okay. So you just go through that. All the PDF. So for example, in this case, SQL is there means, for example, file handling, I used 1 or 2 PDFs. That is the PPT. Okay. But more than that, many things are there. So which among the best I used for the tool for teaching you. Okay. Remaining concepts also there. That is also seems to be good. Okay. You can practice that slide. If you visit the website means you can understand that. Material, just go through the material. Chapter wise I segregated the folder in order to easily you can access it. Okay. Because you people want to easy to access. No, that's what I made that. Kindly use that and refer all the videos. Playlist also I meant, if you visit the channel means you can
Yes, sir.
chapter 5 playlist for whenever the chapter is completed, immediately I create the playlist, because for betterment of the students. Okay, once you review, just you put the headset and keep the mobile, just listen it, automatically you can get the idea. Okay, once you just review the playlist, all the videos, class videos, and refer the material, that is very important. All the materials, just like that, one material if you refer means that is not enough. Refer all the material, one material, they will give on different type of examples, varieties of the examples program, you will get it. Okay, so if you practice all those things means it will be useful for you. And book, that is very important. Textbook is very important, especially the Sumita Arora book. Why I recommended, all the teachers are recommending means they are giving n number of questions at the book back. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
Solved questions
Yes, sir.
and unsolved questions
sir.
also. Yeah, unsolved questions also 3 parts they given: type A, type B, type C. Type A is just 1 mark.
Yes, sir.
Objective
Objective type.
type. Likewise they are asking. Okay, type B, it's just a 2 marks or 1 mark
Simple
questions. Yes, simple
definitions
questions
and all
are
will be there.
snippets. They will ask the very easy for 1 or
Yes,
2
sir.
marks. 1 mark and 2 marks will come from that part. Okay, 3 mark
Then
and
type
4
C for
marks
the
will come
programming.
from the type 3 questions. Type 3 part I'm saying. Okay, so you have to go through all the book back exercise. Inside the book also some examples are given. That one you prepare. Book back if you prepare, and material which I posted if you prepare means you know you no need to worry about the chapter. Definitely you will get the centum on the chapter. Okay, which is asked. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
kindly go through all the things. if we have any doubt in any questions, for example, in even the book back also, sir, this question I don't know, sir, how to answer, means first you try it. Just like that, don't ask. That's, I'm not meaning that like that. Okay. So if you have doubt, even though you tried a level but you didn't possible, means let you just give, let I will try it. I will give the solution for that. Okay. Many websites also there. Pooja Bhatia website, that is another one website who, like we say, one of the teacher working in the KB, she is also, that madam also posting the answers for all the book back exercises. Okay. I also just tried, I done for
Yes,
4
sir.
or 5 chapters, but it in between I didn't find the 11th standard I started, I didn't find enough time. So for that I stopped it. Okay. Anyhow, not an issue. Whenever you ask, I really to give it. Okay. The answer for the questions in the previous question paper also. That is, I will post it. You just try it. Okay. All the best,
Sir,
students.
one doubt, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Selvaram.
Sir, in book, in Sumita Arora book, they have given only pickle module, sir.
Hmm.
In the binary file, the normal binary things are not there. So, is it necessary to read all the things, sir?
For example, I am saying that you just concentrate on the pickle module. That's what I am saying. You concentrate on the, especially binary means, concentrate on pickle module, because the question will be maximum asked from the core part. The normal binary file for just for an introduction purpose, I thought of to delete the slide also before the preparation, but you should know the difference between normal, that is text file, and binary file. No, for that sake, I thought.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh,
So
okay,
pickle
sir.
module you
Sir,
use it, and CSV file also too. Yes, please. Yeah.
okay, sir. Sir, Hasan told that he's in shop, sir, so he cannot open the mic at the time.
Okay, not an issue. Okay. Okay. Oh,
He's taking care of the shop, sir. So,
okay. He have in own shop. Okay, that he will be.
yes, sir.
So just concentrate on studies. Okay, not an issue. So prepare well for the Monday test. It is a challenging question. Question paper will be little bit tough. I made it. So once you attend the questions, you are getting the more than 35 marks. Means you are settled in the fourth chapter. That is, you are prepared well for the fourth chapter. That is the indication. Let me take it as indication. If you are getting less than 35 marks, means your preparation need to prepare more. Okay. Everyone want to write well, so prepare well for that. Don't say anything. Wherever you are finding the time is there. I know that afternoon onwards you are completely free. Just to spend in this exam for the 1 hour daily basis for today and tomorrow, like this, you spend it. Monday 8:45, I will question paper will be as usual. It will be sent to you through the Google form as usual method. You have to submit in the same format only. Okay,
Okay, sir.
children. Any doubt regarding the Monday test?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Fine. Thank you to all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.